So one question I always get is, how do you properly reconstitute a blend? For example, the Clo blend, and it might say 80 mg on it. How do you do that? Well, the first thing you need to do is download a pepper calculator. So reconstituting peppers is all base 10 metric system. And if you're not familiar with base 10 metric system, I highly suggest a calculator. It makes life a lot easier. So, for example, the Clo blend, it may say 80 mg on it. That means there's 10 mg of BPC, 10 mg of TB500, 10 mg of KPV, and 50 mg of GHKCU. So you're not going to look at it as 80 mg. You're going to pick one of those compounds. So let's say BPC. You know that you want to figure out how many U is 500 mcg. So check it out right here. You're going to put 10 in because there's 10 in the Clo blend. We're not doing 80, we're doing 10. You're going to put the amount of backwater, so 3 ml. And now you know, okay, I want to research with 500 mcg. You're going to put 500 mcg, and you're going to see at the bottom, it's going to show you 15U. So since you know now that 15U is 500 mcg of BPC, because there's 10 mg of BPC, you know that's also going to be the same for TB and KPV. Now, if you want to check, okay, well, how much GHK am I getting? Well, what you're going to do is you're now going to put in 50 mg in the calculator and also the 3 ml, and you're going to notice that 15U is 2.5 mg. So that tells you that every 15U is going to have an even amount of BPC, TB, and KPV of 500 micrograms each, and also 2.5 mg of GHKCU. So again, you are not using all 80 in the calculator. You are picking one that you specifically know, and the rest all fall into place on the amount that is researched with. All right, guys? So if you have any other questions about this, please don't hesitate to reach out. I am absolutely happy to help.